Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander, a full-size SUV that's redefining what it means to blend size, style, and substance in the modern family vehicle market. Whether you're looking for a capable people mover, a long-distance cruiser, or just a bold SUV that makes a statement, the Grand Highlander checks a lot of boxes. Now, Toyota already had a solid player with the standard Highlander, but the Grand Highlander is an entirely different beast. It's longer, wider, and taller, offering more interior room, especially in the third row and cargo space. For families or adventurers who constantly felt the standard Highlander was just a bit too snug, this new version offers the space you've been asking for. Under the hood, the 2026 Grand Highlander continues with the powertrain options introduced in earlier models, giving buyers a choice between a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4, a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter hybrid, and a powerful hybrid max powertrain, which delivers up to 362 horsepower. If you're all about performance and efficiency, the Hybrid Max is the one to watch. It provides solid acceleration while still being fuel-conscious, especially for a three-row SUV of this size. Toyota's design team didn't hold back either. The 2026 Grand Highlander looks bold and refined, with the more squared-off front fascia, a wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted lines that give it a commanding presence. It's got that premium vibe without crossing into luxury pricing territory. Depending on the trim you choose, you'll find 18 to 20-inch wheels, black towel accents, and even a panoramic glass roof. Step inside and it becomes clear that Toyota focused heavily on passenger comfort and technology. The Grand Highlander comes standard with an impressive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, and top trims even include a second 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB-C ports in every row, and available features like a head-up display and JBL premium audio system really elevate the driving experience. But where the Grand Highlander really stands out is space. The third row is no longer a punishment seat. It comfortably fits adults, not just kids. Legroom is generous, and thanks to the wider body, even 3 adults can sit in the back without feeling crammed. Behind the third row, you still get usable cargo space, more than the standard Highlander, and plenty for road trips or Costco hauls. Safety-wise, Toyota hasn't cut corners. The 2026 Grand Highlander comes with the latest version of Toyota's Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. It's the kind of tech that gives you peace of mind whether you're commuting or driving cross-country. Driving the Grand Highlander is surprisingly smooth for such a large SUV. The suspension tuning absorbs bumps well, steering is responsive, and visibility is excellent. The Hybrid Max version, in particular, delivers a punchy and confident ride that feels more athletic than you would expect. Plus, with available all-wheel drive, it's ready for rougher roads or snowy conditions. With trims ranging from the well-equipped XLE to the top-of-the-line Platinum, the Grand Highlander offers something for a wide range of buyers. Pricing is expected to start in the low $40,000s and can climb into the mid $50,000s for the most premium options. Considering what it offers in size, tech, performance, and comfort, it's a competitive price point in the three-row SUV segment. So, is the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander worth it? If you need real third-row space, want modern tech and safety, and value Toyota's reputation for reliability, the answer is absolutely yes. It's more than just a stretched Highlander, it's a full-scale upgrade designed for real families and real adventures. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest car reviews. Catch you in the next one.